In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the Forza Link in Forza Horizon 6. So basically, the Forza Link basically allows you to send messages if you're in a race or if you're in the free roam. So to customize it, all you have to do is pause your game and then navigate to the online section. And then from here, you should see Forza Link. Select that, and then now you should see different category. So you can send a message if you're in free roam. So these are the buttons that you press in a race event, the eliminator, and all the other options that are currently available. So find the option that you'd like to change. So let's say free roam. So if you want to change this Forza Link prompt to another thing, simply select it. And then from the list of options, you can simply scroll through and find the one that you'd like to use. And also there are different categories you can choose from. So simply select compliments, exclamation, racing, and all the other categories you can choose from. So find the one that you'd like to use for that particular keybind. So let's say, for instance, this particular option, simply select it. And now that will be a new Forza Link or the text message that you can use when you press that particular button on your controller or the PC. You can customize the same for the other keybind. So select it and then find any other phrase that you'd like to set for that particular keybind. So simply select it. Let's say for instance this one, select it, and then that will now be your new key phrase for that particular keybind. Now you can repeat the same process for all these other options, and once you're done, simply press the back button and then you have to save your changes. So select save and continue, and the changes will be applied. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.